Kasi kanina, retired, dismissed. So may I know whether if he had received his lump sum,
Yes, sir.
then he has retired. Di ba?
Yes, sir.
Dito yung ginawang hearing sa Kongreso patungkol ito sa kay Gonzales. Yung isang sabi nila police daw ito, retired police. Ngayon pala mga kabanat ay nalalaman na dismiss pala itong mga kabanat noong 2018 pa. So ayon mismo sa pahayag ng ilang mga pulis, dito nga yung mga pulis ay nasabon mga kabanat kay Congressman Acop, itong senior vice chair ng pagdinig na ito, kasi gusto nilang ma-address yung mga pulis kasi mga kabanat ngayon medyo sasabi natin mga abusado na daw, na parang hindi marunong tumimpi, no? Bagamat daw dahil may baril ay napakataas yung ihi at napakayabang mga kabanat. So ginagamit nila kagad yung baril nila na panakot para yung nasita nila o nasaktan nila ay hindi napapalag dahil may baril siyang hawak. Gaya ng nakikita natin sa ginawa ni Gonzales na nag-iiringan sila ng siklista at humangga na parang sinampal-sampal yung siklista. Nung pumalag yung siklista ay yun, binunutan ng baril at kinasahan ng baril at yun, tuloy yung siklista hindi na nakaporma, hindi na nakagante at hanggang doon na videohan. At yung napag-alaman pala mga kabanat, itong si Gonzales ay hindi pala ito retired, kundi dismissed ito noong 2018 ayon mismo sa mga polis na kaharap ni Congressman Acop, na yun nga nagisa mga kabanat dito dahil sa mga mali-mali nilang paliwanag. So let's go, panoorin natin itong maiksing video na ginawang hearing na patungkol ito sa nangyaring sa issue ni Gonzales at itong siklista na ang pangalan pala ito ay Alan din.
Please allow me, Mr. Chair, to ask some questions. May I know whether Mr. Gonzales is a retired PNP personnel or a dismissed PNP personnel? Who would be able to answer that? Kasi kanina, retired, dismissed. So may I know whether Mr. Gonzales is a retired PNP personnel or a dismissed PNP personnel?
He was dismissed, sir.
He was dismissed.
Yes, sir.
Dismissed.
I would like to, I have here on record, he was dismissed when?
Ayon sa record,
2016 or what?
ayon sa record kasi 2018 daw
2018, sir.
2018. So doon siya na-dismissed. But he never retired or he never was retired.
Actually, this morning, sir, I conducted my own investigation with the PRPS, and I already sent them a notice confirming the possibility why he was allowed to get lump sum. So I am checking on this, sir. As the director for investigation, I heard some rumors that he was able to get his lump sum. So I have yet to receive the official report from the PRBS.
Okay, kindly, and the next hearing, will you please bring the answer to the query?
Yes, sir.
If he has or if he had received his lump sum,
Yes, sir.
then he has retired.
Tama.
Di ba?
Yes, sir. Accordingly, sir, he received his lump sum and using a fictitious clearance. So I have yet to find out the truth about that. I only received the information this morning.
Kaya nga, sa susunod na hearing natin, could you please furnish this committee all the information regarding whether Mr. Gonzales has been retired or has been dismissed?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Kasi pag nakatanggap siya ng retirement benefits, di na-retire siya.
Tama.
Yes,
O,
sir.
sinasabi nyo, finake niya yung kanyang kwan.
It's just only my
Well,
assumption, sir, but I'm waiting for the official report from the PRBS, sir.
sige. Basta sa susunod na hearing, pakibigyan nyo kami ng kumpletong report niyan.
Yes, Your Honor. We will do so,
Kasi
sir.
pati ako nahihilo kung retired siya or dismissed.
Yes, sir. I was also looking at his PAIS database.
Thank you.
Yes, sir, this morning. Thank you, sir. We'll give you the update regarding this case, sir.
Thank you. General
Sir.
Torre, I watched your interview together with Mr. Gonzales. May I know what is the present occupation of Mr. Gonzales? Kasi maraming media na nagtatanong doon pero he was very, very evasive. So, would you know, ano po ang occupation of Mr. Gonzales currently?
During that time, sir, I believe that he is acting as a bodyguard of somebody I have not identified, and I have not seen any document that will support my this information, sir. So I have not seen any employment contract or any identification card regarding that matter. I asked for him. I asked that from him. He did not provide it, sir.
Allow me to ask my question sometimes in the Tagalog dialect simply because sinasabi ng mga nanonood ko minsan hindi nila maintindihan yung English. So, kung pwede Tagalogin. So, hindi mo, nung tinatanong ng media, naririnig ko yun doon sa video. Hindi mo man lang tinanong si Mr. Gonzales kung ano na yung hanap buhay niya ngayon?
Tinanong ko, sir.
Ano sabi niya?
VIP security, sir.
Security nino.
Ayun sabihin, sir.
Ha?
Ayun sabihin, sir.
Bakit kaya?
He might be protecting his principal, sir. Ang sinabi niya na lang,
Or sarili niyang pinoprotektahan siya, baka sipain siya dahil sa ginawa niya.
possible, sir.
Kasi nagtataka ako bakit hindi niyo pwedeng patugain siya doon sa kanyang hanap buhay. When in fact, kayo ang nag-provide ng platform para mag-explain siya sa publiko, which caused you receiving flack from the people.
Yes, sir.
Diba? Kasi sinasabi dun sa kwan.
Congressman, interject lang ako dyan, kapraso. For your
Sige.
information lang. Alam mo naman tayo mga congressman, medyo may mga nadidinig din tayo. Yes, may mga marites na nagsabi na bodyguard siya ng isang justice. I think, hindi ko malaman kung Supreme Court or whatever. Pero tinanggal na daw. So, yun lang for the information of everybody. Pero hindi po yan, wala pong ano yan. Wala resibo. Pero kung tinanggal na siya, good for him.
Marites pala.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I...
Pwede pala yung marites dito isingit sa Kongreso, no? Yung walang fact, pwede mo pa sabihin yun dito.
Sid? Nandito po ba yung station commander o chief of police na nag-imbestiga?
I think the person is hindi ba si ano
I
yan?
think he's outside, sir. Lieutenant Colonel Jake
Andito ba? Andito, General Natate, saan ba? Andito.
National Police or NAPOLCOM.
So yun, hanggang dyan na lang mga kabanat yung ating video. Gusto ko lang ipakita doon yung minisyon na ito palang si Gonzales ay hindi naman pala nag-retired, no? Hindi siya retired kundi siya ay dismiss noong 2018 pa. Sa panahon pa pala ni President Duterte ito na-dismiss. Hindi dahil 2018 pa ito na-dismiss, no? Halos sa 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022. So halos 5 taon na nakalipas mga kabanat mula sa pagka-dismiss nitong si Gonzales. Ang problema daw dito, ang kine-question ngayon, bakit nakatanggap daw ito ng retirement pay o itong lansam na malaking pera? Sabi nga ni Congressman Acop, marireceive lang ito ng isang pulis kapag siya ay retired. Pero pag dismiss daw ay hindi dapat ito, hindi karapat dapat bigyan na naturang halaga. So malinaw yan mga kabanat yung sinabi ni Congressman Acop na itong si Gonzales ay dismiss ito at hindi retired PNP. Yan muna mga kabanat, see you next video.